Introducing the 2025 Renegade Classic, a motor coach that embodies the Renegade legacy. Prepare to embark on a journey where dreams seamlessly transform into reality. As we unveil a vehicle that transcends mere transportation, embodying the ideal model of extravagance. The 2025 Renegade Classic introduces a host of innovative features designed to enhance both functionality and style. Choose from 16 floor plans with various configurable layout options, allowing you the flexibility to create your own space. From updated interior decor options to advanced technology upgrades, the Classic sets a new standard for luxury in the world of motorhomes. Let's delve deeper into these exciting enhancements and discover how they redefine the traveling experience. Command the road with confidence on the Renegade Classic's versatile chassis options. With 4 available configurations and a towing capacity of up to 30,000 pounds, the Classic offers unmatched power and performance for your travels. Step into the cab and experience ultimate comfort with leather-clad seating and a multifunctional steering wheel, all atop a robust and reliable foundation. Whether navigating winding mountain roads or cruising along the open highway, the Classic's exceptional chassis and cab ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey every time. Make a statement wherever you go with the Renegade Classic's stunning exterior design. Classic comes standard in an all-white exterior, or opt for full-body paint, available in multiple configurations. From the sleek and modern to bold and adventurous, there's a color scheme to suit every taste. But the Classic's exterior beauty is more than skin deep. Stay entertained outdoors with the Exterior Entertainment Center, complete with a 43-inch smart TV and sound bar. With the roof-mounted lateral arm awning, you can relax in comfort under the open sky. Whether enjoying a leisurely afternoon or hosting a lively gathering with friends and family, experience uninterrupted comfort with the Classic's advanced plumbing and electrical systems. Stay cool with the 3 15,000 BTU air conditioners. Enjoy continuous hot water and climate control throughout the coach with the AquaHot dual zone heating system. Power your adventures with the 12.5 kilowatt Onan quiet diesel generator, 2 330 amp hour AGM batteries, 600 watts of solar, and dual 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverters. And with the optional lithium battery upgrade and ability to add additional solar panels, you can stay powered up even off-grid. Whether boondocking in remote wilderness areas or enjoying the comforts of a full hookup campsite, the Classic's plumbing and electrical systems ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience. Step inside the Renegade Classic and immerse yourself in luxury. Choose from 3 elegant interior decor options, each complemented by ultra-leather furniture, porcelain tile flooring, and soft-touch padded vinyl walls in 4 color options. The maple hardwood cabinets feature updated door styling and dovetail drawers, offering both style and functionality. Relax in front of the large LED 4K smart TV with soundbar in the living quarters, or unwind with an optional smart TV in the bedroom. With ample storage space and thoughtful design details throughout, the Classic's interior is the epitome of comfort and sophistication. Indulge in luxury in the Classic's spacious bathrooms. The porcelain macerator toilet along with the solid surface shower and countertops offer both style and convenience. Brighten your space with the LED vanity light and skylight, creating a welcoming atmosphere for your daily routine. Whether getting ready for a day of adventure or winding down after a long journey, the Classic's bathroom provides the perfect, convenient solution. Prepare gourmet meals on the road with the Classic's high-end kitchen appliances. The 18 cubic foot French door refrigerator, 2-burner induction cooktop, 1.7 cubic foot convection microwave oven, and stainless steel sink bowl make cooking a breeze. And with solid surface countertops and optional appliance covers, you can personalize your kitchen to suit your needs. Whether whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a multi-course feast, the Classic's kitchen is equipped to handle any culinary challenge with style and ease. Entertainment meets innovation in the Renegade Classic. New for 2025 is the Winegard Connect 5G rooftop antenna for seamless connectivity on the go. You can stay connected no matter where your adventures take you with the optional Starlink, the upgraded Wi-Fi multiplex system, and new touchscreen switches throughout. Relax in front of the large LED 4K smart TV with soundbar in the living quarters, or unwind with an optional smart TV in the bedroom. And with the state-of-the-art infotainment system, you can access satellite navigation, radio, and seamless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether streaming your favorite shows, listening to your favorite tunes, or navigating unfamiliar terrain, the Classic's entertainment options ensure a fun and immersive experience for all. With unparalleled luxury, advanced technology, and unmatched performance, the 2025 Renegade Classic redefines the motorhome experience. Whether embarking on a cross-country road trip or enjoying a weekend getaway with loved ones, the Classic offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and style. Choose luxury, choose adventure, choose Renegade RV. Designed for life, designed for your convenience.